Hello, welcome to Todd Miller TV, joined here today with Juana. So there's a phenomenon going on right now where we have multiple offers and everybody bidding over list price.
Yes.
And then some lucky person gets the property, but then for some reason it's falling out of escrow.
Right.
So let's talk about why that's happening.
Okay. So we have very little inventory.
Right?
We have reasonable demand. However, with the small inventory levels, that means that we actually have a lot of demand. Okay. So buyers are bidding more than they can either afford or more than they think the property's worth because they get emotionally wrapped up in winning the bid. So we'll have multiple offers.
Okay.
We'll have maybe 10, 12, 14, 20 offers on a property. And then we'll have a winner, which is wonderful. Congratulations, you won the house. And then a week or two later, they back out.
Okay.
Because they've got buyer's remorse. They maybe can't afford to pay that much for the house, or they don't think the house is worth that much, or some person in their family or their coworker or their friend has told them that, oh, well, you're overpaying for the house. Whatever the reason is, they back out. So then we have to start the process all over again.
Okay.
So I want to say a couple things. One, if you're the person who got the house, stick with it. Close on the house, please. Two, if you didn't get the house, don't worry about it. The person who did is probably going to back out.
Okay.
Stay in there. Stay in the game. Come back to us when the property goes back on the market.
Is there a price range you're seeing this in more than another price range? Like, is it happening 200 to 250? 150 to 200?
You know, I wish I could say that it's happening in a particular price range, but it's really happening all the way across the board.
Is it happening more with investors or with owner-occupants?
Oh, owner-occupants every time.
Okay.
Owner-occupants
Here's a quick,
every time.
because this is what I get all the time. Someone will show up, come into our conference room for a buyer consultation, and they'll say, we've got a lot of time to look, and we want to find the perfect house, and we want to get a deal. Is this the kind of market to find the perfect house and get a deal?
This is the kind of market to find the perfect house. Forget about getting a deal. If you got the house, you got the deal. Because, look, depending on who you listen to, in the last month I've seen statistics ranging anywhere from, Vegas has appreciated anywhere from 20% to 27% year over year. From 2012 to 2013, you know, in particular zip codes, the numbers are different, obviously, because they're looking at the whole valley. But whatever it's appreciated, we can all agree that prices are higher today than they were a year ago. I don't care where you are in Vegas, prices are higher today than they were a year ago. So if you got the house, you got a deal, because the other person didn't get it. So the next house to go on the market in the neighborhood is probably going to sell for more. So you got a deal. Stick with the deal. I have properties that have now been on the market between 120 and 170 days, and it's not that there's anything wrong with the house. It's that I keep putting it under contract with buyers, and they keep getting buyer's remorse. They keep backing out, and I have to do it all over again. And it's very sad for the people that are actually putting in these offers, not getting the houses, and they would have closed on the house, but somebody else beat them out, and they're not closing.
Okay. So what's the advice for somebody who is frustrated right now because they're trying to buy a house, there's a shortage of inventory, they know prices are going up, and they want to get in before, you know, a year from now when it's the same house is likely going to be more?
Okay, honestly, my best advice is look for a Fannie Mae house, use HomePath financing so you're not handicapped by appraised value.
Okay.
Pay for the house what you think it's worth to you. When you win the bid, stick with it, close on the house, move in, live and be happy in your new home.
Okay. I like it. Good. All right, so that's my update for today, and hope to see you on another video. Thanks.